Hi everybody, this is Fire Moon Alchemy and I'm popping on here to talk to you all about the energies this week. And there is a lot going on. This week, Pluto moves into Aquarius on November 19th, marking the start of a new evolutionary 20-year cycle. Pluto, the planet of power, rebirth, and transformation, brings insights and opportunities for both individual and collective growth during its time in progressive Aquarius. Now, over the next 2 decades, we are going to see the collective primary focus centering on innovation and progress in the areas of community, equality, social awareness, intentional living, technology, and in reshaping societal structures so that they serve the greater good instead of for the benefit of a few. Now, an interesting side note here is the last time Pluto was in Aquarius was from January 1778 to March 1798, which was during a time of significant historical and societal changes that included both the American and French revolutions. So the next 20 years should be quite interesting. Now, adding to this dynamic energy, the sun moves into adventurous Sagittarius on November 21st, brightening our mood with its optimistic vibe. Sagittarius season invites expansion and growth, and this can be through travel, learning, adopting a new mindset, or by embarking on a deep spiritual journey. Now, this particular sun in Sagittarius is inviting you to explore where you may be resisting a change that would be beneficial for you. Especially with Pluto so active right now, a fresh perspective and a willingness to try new things may be just what you need to put you on a path towards a more prosperous and fulfilling life, relationship, career, or future. Now, with that being said, astrologically, this week is not the ideal time to make a big move or to take a leap of faith unless a plan has already been in the works. As we've got the last quarter waning moon squaring the sun, and we have Mercury retrograde also in the sign of Sagittarius just around the corner. So initiating something brand new now may result in your taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. Now, to increase your chances for success, use the upcoming next 4 weeks or so to put a solid plan in place, review all details carefully, and to tie up loose ends on current projects so that you will be ready to make a fresh start when conditions are more favorable and when Mercury goes back direct on December 15th. Now, I decided to pull a tarot card for you all this week, and the tarot card pick that came out is the Chariot. So here is your message. Success is within reach for you. However, to achieve your goals requires you to stay determined and focused on your path and to not let rocky emotions, naysayers, or other external distractions throw you off course. Be very mindful of letting others know of your plans too soon, as not everyone around you has your best interest at heart, or they may project their own insecurities onto you, which may cause doubt and confusion where there was none before. Your best bet is to keep it moving and let your progress speak for itself. Okay, some crystals that may be helpful in navigating this week's strong energies by encouraging a healthy balance of one's mind and emotions are amethyst, black obsidian, citrine, blue kyanite, lapis lazuli, sodalite, and fluorite. Also, I would like to remind everyone that a waning moon is a really good time for cleansing and clearing. And this can be your energy, your aura, your space. And it's also a really good time for those return to sender spells, right? Get rid of that energy that is not yours and to ground excess energy as well. It's just a really good time for cleansing, clearing, taking those spiritual baths, things like that. Okay, everybody, that does it for me. I hope you found these intuitive messages helpful. And if you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for listening and watching. I love you all and have a great week.